Hey, what's up guys? Want this 4K anime CC plus quality? Today, in this video, I'll show you how to get this 4K anime CC plus quality. You'll need 𝗏 for the 4K quality, so make sure to download that. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Open CapCut and add your anime clip, then apply all the filters that I've added and make sure to keep the intensity as same as I kept. Now export the clip and open 𝗏. Select Quality Restoration and drop your file. Select Ultra HD and hit the Start button. Make sure to create an account after downloading 𝗏, because you won't be able to use any features without credit. Export the video after it gets downloaded. And your 4K anime CC plus quality is done. As you can see the difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.